डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं एक नया चैप्टर दैट इज लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। नाउ फर्स्ट लेट मी डिफाइन। हमने सीखना है पहले लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या होती है टू वेरिएबल्स में। लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स इन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। So any equation which can be written, any equation which can be written or put in the form of ax plus by equal to c or plus c is equal to 0, we call it as a linear equation in two variables. So any equation which can be put in the form, तो जो किसी इक्वेशन को किसी इक्वेशन को तुम इस फॉर्म में ले आओगे, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड ए लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स वायर ए बी सी और रियल नंबर्स, these are real numbers, we call them constants. सारे कांस्टेंट हैं, इस कांस्टेंट्स हैं, and x and y are variables. So any equation which can be put in this form will be a linear equation in two variables, that is x and y. You can quote any examples of your own. Example के तौर हम लिखेंगे 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, or you may write another example 2z minus 7 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation in two variables. If you can write it as well, this can be written in this way, or दूसरी है 2z minus plus 0y minus 7 equal to 0. So we are able to write it in this form, in the above form, that is in two variables with the coefficient of y as 0. So it is also a linear equation in two variables. So this is all about linear equation in two variables. Now in your class 10th you had to study about the linear simultaneous or pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of, let me call it as pair of linear equations in, तो यहाँ पर एक बात हमने जो भूल गए हम लिखना, where these two coefficients, that is coefficient of x and coefficient of y, should not be simultaneously 0, that is both should be not equal to 0, both should be, that is both a and, that is उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे, उसको लिखेंगे a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. ये कंडीशन है, where this condition should be followed in letter and separate. तो दोनों a और b, इसका माना क्या हुआ, both a comma b should not be equal to 0. So this is the condition. We will be writing in due course of time the condition as a square plus b square is not equal to 0, means both a and b should not be equal to 0, that is the coefficients of these two variables should not be equal to 0, otherwise it will no longer remain a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so बोथ यहाँ ज़रूरी है, और एक होगा भी तब भी हम इसको कह पाएंगे, अदरवाइज बोथ शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो नाउ पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन टू वेरिएबल्स, पेयर टू वेरिएबल्स. Now these are also known as, we call them as simultaneous linear equations in two variables. तो इसको पेयर के तौर हम लिखें तो जनरल फॉर्म जो है इसकी है, जनरल फॉर्म इज सिंपल. इफ वी राइट एन इक्वेशन, linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and we will write another equation of this kind, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. These are two equations but they appear to be one and the same. In order to make them distinct, let me write their coefficients distinctly by writing a subscript over here, 1 B1 C1, and over here I will denote it by A2 B2 C2. तो हमने क्या लिखा, हमने देखा कि ये दो फॉर्म जनरल फॉर्म है ए सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स, a simultaneous linear equations in two variables, where a1 is the coefficient of x in the first equation, we call this first equation, and this 2 is second equation. So a1 b1 and c1 are the coefficient or the constant term or the constants in the first, a2 b2 are the constant in second, x and y are the variables in both the equations should be same. Variable over here is x, यहाँ पर भी x है, यहाँ पर y है, यहाँ पर भी y होना लाजमी है. तो we system of equations in two variables or a pair of linear equations in two variables is a pair of linear equations in same variables, but the coefficients may be different. But here also the condition applies that a1 square plus b1 square should not be equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square equal to this means that both a1 and b1 should not be equal to 0, and both b2 and a2 should not be equal to 0. So we call them as the linear equation system of linear equations in two variables. तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इस तरह की, यू कैन कोट ऑन योर ओन. तो हम एग्जाम्पल के तौर आपको लिख लें. वी कैन गिव यू डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. Example, 3x plus 4y equal to 7, or you may write in a standard form like this: 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0, and 4x minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is a pair of linear equations in two variables. यहाँ पर वेरिएबल देखें सेम है, x हर जगह पर x दोनों में है, x और y है. So it is a system of linear equations in two variables. Variables are same in both equations, but the coefficients are different. So we call it a simultaneous pair. We call it a simultaneous pair. Simultaneous equations or simultaneous pair, or pair of linear equation in two variables. So in this way we have introduced the concept of linear pair of linear equations in two variables. Now हमने अगले लेक्चर्स में हमने सीखना है हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस पेयर ऑफ linear equations, और हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट पेयर ऑफ linear equations फ्रॉम ए गिवन सिचुएशन. जो हम अगली में बात करेंगे अगली लेक्चर्स में इंशाल्लाह.